Hello, good morning, traders. I hope you're all doing well today. It's Dinner Trading here. I just want to check in and throw something out there for you really quick. If you haven't noticed yet, I think or I believe that the actual downtrend has just begun, or the actual bear move has just begun. Looking at today, yes, today the market opened with a slight, these two white lines which I've drawn here. This was a previous day high, so we tagged that previous day high right here, which was our um, resistance level. And also here, this lower white zone here is our previous day low, and we opened slightly above that previous day low right around here, and we did broke through that, and yet that was supposed to be our support actually. It doesn't matter actually which way you draw this line to. Even if you extend it to the left, you will still have nearly the same result. So what I'm really saying here is that in a downtrend, support level is very weak. It's normally weak. It's easy to break through support level once the trend itself is clear. But on an uptrend, it's vice versa. Meanwhile, at the same time, again on a downtrend, the resistance level is very, very strong. The support level is always weak. That support level gets broken every now and then. For example, like I said, this was a previous day support level, which got broken this morning a little bit, really quick. But also do take a look that this at the left hand side of my chart, where we are corresponds to this gap here, which is a runaway gap. So for us to fill this gap, either we're going to gap down tomorrow, or we're going to have a very aggressive move to the bear, and that move is going to be either a rally or a trending day, or something like that tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that, and you will see that if we put a line where the price is right now, right here, and trace this far to the left, you will see that this corresponds to a lot of support and resistance level. Here you have one, um, and then here you have one. It's not clearly one, but here you have another one, um, and if you keep going further, you will see a few more in. So this is quite a bit of a level that will need to be skipped through, um, either by aggressive move, or uh, simply by um, something like, yeah, something like uh, you know a gap to the downside. So that gap is what you probably will be watching out for, or some aggressive move to the bear is what you might be watching for. So just keep an eye out. We're still expecting a lot from this market. In terms of the bear, we cannot really conclude anything yet at the moment, but clearly, we are heading somewhere, which at this point, I know a lot of people, or certain people, will still be chasing the market, trying to find, trying to find which direction um, this should be going. But we already know what direction this is going. Um, yeah, a lot of people will still be trying to trade their call option, um, but we're looking for a selling opportunity. What is this thing doing to me? Yeah, we're looking for selling opportunities, which we do see that we picked up, and we kind of reached that support level up there, and we started, trailing back down, which is where we are at the moment. So um, we would expect that to happen, despite the liquidity runs and all that. Just pay attention to where you see the liquidity runs, and find those area of values, and make your trades. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Just yeah, I was just gonna say again, trade with the trend. Don't try to be against the trend. Trade with the trend, and you will be safe from everything else. Um, Catch you later.